Ayun, Congressman, parang papailan ko ng kaso. Total, hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Your narrative here is under oath. Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. All I have to do is to take out your statement, the basis of filing a case. Yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative, sovereign of perjury.
Yes, that's a crime under the revised penal code.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'd like to ask the Colonel, sino yung idiot na superior mo?
What is the question, sir? Who is the superior of...
Yes, the one who... Alam mo, ano ang ginawa nung ulol na yon? Subornation of perjury. That is a crime. Tingnan mo sa revised penal code. Subornation.
Okay po, I think you already stated it, Colonel Grijaldo. Nasagot na po niya, Mr. President. Nasa testimony na po niya. Sige po, can we now proceed? Who has questions for the for President?
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make it clear na yung ginawa ng idioto na opisyal mo o classmate mo.
Sir, it's not officer, congressman. Congressman ang nagsabi sa kanya. Congressman.
Yung idioto na congressman, subornation of perjury yan. He was suggesting, the mere suggestion of what he wants you to do is already a crime under the revised penal code. Alam mo itong war of the... Itong PDEA, hindi man sabihin inutil. Pero kung yung PDEA, ang asahan mo to fight drug, patay ang Pilipinas. Take it from me. Galing ako sa taas presidency. Galing ako mayor, congressman. Hindi kaya ng PDEA. Hindi nga niya alam sino yung mga diyan sa palibot dito sa batasan, sino yung dito sa batasan, sino yung mga drugista diyan sa police talaga yan. Police. Ang sekreto niyan is mayor, pati police at barangay captains.